I am at my favorite Home Depot. Look at these beauties right here. Look at how organized and beautiful and clean they look. I will tell you that they probably got the shipment yesterday. So yeah, this is really nice. And I think all these you can do 3 for $10. That's pretty cool. That's what that is. Oh, and lately their boxes are so stinking cute. These are $10. So pretty. Well worth it. How much are these? Those are 19. The bigger ones are 19. 10. Then they have your babies. These are 5 for 10. And $2 if you get it separately. So that's what that is. Now let's go on over here. Here are some of their other plants, house plants. I think this is the one that gives that starfish looking plant. I don't know. Their arrangement here doesn't look so good because this does not get a lot of sun here. So that one is there. Let's see what they have. Oh, poor agave. That is really sad. That is sad. It looks like it got burned. Like it got rained on and then burnt. Today's going to be in the 90s. So, yep. It's going to be struggling, some of these. Let's see what this one is. It's very dusty rose, but it's a little messed up. Oh, this is different. I'm not going to go over all the names, just the ones that are different. This is what that one is, because I can't say that. That's pretty cool. Let's see what this big one is. That big one is Echeveria Blue Reef. So Echeveria Blue Reef, not Blue Elf, Blue Reef. And we got some, I've never seen this is yellow. Folding, I don't know. Got some pretty yellow flowers. Fire sticks, devil's backbone. This is a Horothea. Wow, look at this big one. Let's see what that one is. Echeveria Sahara. That's cool. More of their boxes here, different shape. I think these are, I don't know how much these are. They don't have a price. And those, I don't see the price anywhere. You guys seen these? I'm looking for something different to show you guys. Oh, look at those. I've never seen them in a different color. Let me see these. Are these the same that I saw over there? Yeah, Crown of Thorns. I've never seen it yellow. Look, a yellow one. That's cool. Oh, look, they moved their 298 ones over here. I wonder why. Maybe it's people don't find them over there? I wonder if that's why they did that. Some flapjack, topsy-turvy, jade. Ooh, look at this one. No name. So, that's Miami. They don't have names. Okay, let's see what we see here. It's pretty cool. I think we looked at this one. This is Echeveria Allegra. The chocolate panda. Oh, look. The Pearl Newtonberg. I haven't seen it in a while. Von Newtonberg. I haven't seen them bring in a while. Finally brought some. But see this one? So this is $4.48. I've gotten really big ones in the $2.98. So that's what I'm actually waiting for. I'm waiting for them to bring that one again. So we got fire sticks, elephant bush, Echeveria chroma, Echeveria blue elf over there. some chopsticks. I really don't see anything that I want. Nope. I don't see anything. I think this is gonna be a short video, guys, because there's nothing really like new that. Oh, let's go over here. Some cactuses over here. There you go, some cactuses, orchids, air plants. Lots of cool air plant things. Those are nice. Okay, over here they have some of their trays. These are $20. There's a lot of sun over here, so I don't know if you guys will be able to see. This is $16. Has bigger plants in them, a variety of plants. And they did have new ones over here. Wow, they're big. See what I'm telling you? I'm going to show you in a minute. I'm going to show you, but let me just look at this real quick. Beautiful sedum. Beautiful sedum. I don't have the sedum. Such a pretty color. But look at this. See what I'm telling you guys? You can find the really big ones for $2.98. But are these going to make it? This is the Echeveria Blue Glauca. I don't know if she's going to make it. She's been getting a lot of water. She seems already. You see how they're spread out like that? This is going to rot. I don't know. Yeah, see? It's just not. I don't know. I don't want it. I'm not like crazy for it. But there's some other plants there. This one's pretty. This is elephant's bush too, but it's like a different. It's Portucaria rainbow bush, and it's got a little pink in it. I actually really like that. Let me get like one that's nice and full. Ooh, this one's nice and full. Look at that, so pretty. So I like this one. $2.98. You can't beat the price. And then I like those over there. I already have that kind over there, I believe, but it does look a little bit different in color. This one. I can't even grab like. Hold on, let me get a nice one. I don't even know if you guys can see. Oh gosh! Wow. But it's like falling out. I don't know if it's falling out because of. Hold on. It's too far away. I need like to reach it better. Are they all gonna be like that? Oh, I think they're all gonna be like that. They're all gonna be like falling down. Oh, this is not good. This is where people break plants by mistake. Trying to reach for another one. So is this one that just drapes down? I'm not sure. Okay, maybe I don't want it. I like the way it looks when it's full. So maybe this is I think a trailing jade. Yes, this is a trailing jade. It's pretty though too. So this is what I'm gonna get, guys. I'm gonna get 2 of these rainbow bush. Okay guys, I'm just gonna cut it off right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys have a blessed day. Bye guys.